Well, so far, I have the fence kind of done. Now I just got to put on the wire. I put my dirt inside of the grow bags. Now these grow bags, they're from Epic Gardening. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever. They are from Epic Gardening. And you can get them lined or unlined. Mine are unlined. I think it'll be fine. And they're pretty sure it's 15 gallon. So we're gonna put one bag of dirt in here, and then I'm gonna top it off with some rabbit fertilizer when I get enough. I'll eventually top it off with that. I'm pretty sure I have enough now. But we're gonna do that, and we're gonna plant Bush Lake green beans in there. So I got my from Wheel Height Seed Incorporated. Pretty sure that's how you say that. We have some Blue Lake 274 bean. So we're gonna see. Never grow these. We're gonna see if they actually work. It says they have an 85% germination. So we'll see. So I want to show you all the way I'm tying my fence. Oh, hi, my Denny. Let's go give her medicine. So how I'm tying my fence, I have this wire, and what I do is I wrap it from this side. I don't know if y'all can see that with it being this color. And then what I do is I anchor it on, and then I wrap it around. Just like so. And that holds it on there pretty good. And then you just take your pliers or whatever you use and kind of squeeze that together. And it holds it pretty good. I got one side up. I want to bore y'all with all the rest, so I'll come back when I got the finished product. Alright, y'all. So we got the fencing up and the garden bags ready to put dirt in them. So let's get to putting some dirt in these bags. Now this soil right here, it's an all-purpose potting mix. It's called Black Gold. It says it's enriched with, I can't say that word, I have no idea, release fertilizer. So I always buy this one. They say that it's not for like starting seeds, but I do start my seeds in them, and they do great. This is a good Black Gold fertilizer. It's got that slow release, the little white pellets in there. So it says it's I guess that's what 10, 4, 13. Not quite sure if that's kind of what it has inside. But I like this one. See how much of this bag is going to fit in this grow bag here. There we go. I may not have needed 5 bags of this. I may have only needed like 4. I don't know. Let's see. Let's top it off here and see. I do want them to be above, but not above the line, because clearly that's going to fall out, but at least as close to the top as you can get it. That's what I want. That's pretty, that's probably, because you're going to lose a lot of soil anyways when it rains, so if you can top them off, that's great. I think one bag's going to do it. No, that's pretty good. So this bag right here is 2 cubic foot. It's a 56.6 liter. And I think these are 15-gallon grow bags. So that bag filled up the whole thing. Luckily I got 5 bags. So we'll just keep trucking along here. And over at Epic Gardening, they do have different sizes. I just went with this one. I actually got to know these off of another channel that I watch over at Sage and Stone Homestead. She had a coupon code with them, and so I got me some of this. Now I've never grown in a grow bag, so this is new for me. But we'll see how it goes. This is the same as I've never grown in raised bed gardens either. My garden is great. Got good soil, we mend it properly, it should turn out just fine. Push it down a little bit. And I will come back and I'll top this off with some rabbit fertilizer. That's what I did on my garden over here, and like I say, it's doing good. I wish I could buy this stuff by the truckload, but I'm sure that's going to be very expensive. Money don't grow around trees. I mean, technically it does, but, you know, not in the way we kind of need it. Now I will go and get me some of those fake snakes to put in here. Just that way the birds don't come down and start trying to eat my seeds. Seeds are little seedlings that come up. And this will be a permanent position right here. This will be a permanent spot for this stuff. I mean, the grow bags, clearly I can move them around. Like if I wanted to add mulch right here, I can move the bags around. Controlled. I was looking at it upside down, didn't know what it said. So it says enriched with controlled release fertilizer. Looking at that word upside down, I had no clue what it said. My brain was not comprehending that word at all. Did you give her medicine? Or did you feed her?
No. Where's the food?
It's in the pantry. Try something new. Alright. We got them all good and filled. Yeah, it's finna start raining, so we need to hurry up. Whoops. Alright, we got them all good and filled. All the way down. And now we'll put our seeds in. I can hear my chickens from way back up here. Now, remember, I've never grown this before. Worst case scenario, it doesn't grow, we stick something else in there. Now, they're a white bean looking. Look like a white bean. I mean, clearly it's a bean, but I'm gonna put like 4. I'm gonna put 6 in here. Just gonna shove them down in the dirt. The rain will water them for me. Won't have to do that. Now I put in 6 just because if some of them don't germinate and others do, at least we got some kind of germination. I didn't soak these seeds. They're just going straight in there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have 7. Nothing wrong with a little extra. As long as the good Lord gives us some water today, tomorrow maybe. I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. Hopefully they'll germinate. Like I said, we'll get a couple of them Dollar Tree snakes and put in here, and that'll keep them from eating the little seedlings that come up. At least you would think so. And then once I get enough rabbit fertilizer, I'll come through here and I'll layer it with some rabbit fertilizer. And here comes Helper, and hopefully he don't dig it up. That's what we got for today, guys. Catch y'all later.